So again, good day, especially to our teacher, Ma'am Karen Fuentes. So for today's video, for today's discussion is all about the V5. So let's start wisely. So it is the Republic Act number 9711, an act strengthening and rationalizing the regulatory capacity of the Bureau of Food and Drugs, or BFAD, by establishing adequate testing laboratories and field offices, upgrading its equipment, augmenting its human resource complement, giving authority to retain its income, renaming it the Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA, amending certain sections of Republic Act number 3720 as amended and appropriating funds. So, the Bureau of Food and Drugs is the key regulatory agency of the Department of Health, Philippines, with major responsibilities in ensuring safety, efficacy, and quality of food products, drugs, vaccines, and biologicals, in vitro, diagnostic reagents, medical devices, cosmetics, and household hazardous substances. So these are the following routine of functions of the BFAD related to the food. So the first one is to inspection and licensing of establishments in accordance with good manufacturing practices of regulated establishments such as manufacturers, packers or repackers, distributor, importers, exporters, wholesalers, outlets, groceries, supermarkets, and other commercial outlets. The next one is the evaluation and registration of the regulated products based on set standards of safety, efficacy, purity, and quality of regulated products. Processed foods imported and local, advertised local products, and process of foods products intended for export. So next one is the market monitoring of products for adulterated products, expired and unregistered products. So next is the laboratory analysis of regulated products such as collected samples from the routine monitoring, products which are subject of complaints from consumers, products for registration, and donated products. Next is the evaluation and monitoring of advertisements and promotions of tri-media such as television, radio, and print ads like newspaper and magazines. So the next one is the policy formulation, drafting of rules and regulations, administrative orders and standards, issuance of bureau circulars, bureau memoranda, and guidelines. So the next one is the public assistance and information, such as rendering the following services: product information, health advisories, and consumer assistance for complaints, and client assistance for consultancy, seminars, and trainings. The next one is the legal functions such as deposition of consumers' complaints, adultery food, misbranded food products, advertisements, and promotional regulations. And the next one is the administrative functions for the human resource development, enhancement of skills and knowledge of personnel through training. And the last one is the special functions related to food such as implementation of food fortification program, salt iodization, and milk crude. For the Section 3, it is hereby declared by the policy of state to adopt, support establishment, institutionalize, improve and maintain structures, processes, and mechanisms and initiatives that are aimed, directed and designated to protect and promote the right to health of the Filipino people, and help establish and maintain to effective health products regulatory system and undertake appropriate health manpower development and research responsive to the country's health needs and problems. Pursuant to this policy, the state must enhance its regulatory capacity and strengthen its capability with regard to the inspection, licensing, and monitoring of establishments and the registration of monitoring of health group products. So that's all for this video and for this. Thank you.